Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing both ends and acting now. Power on the Fortigate and your PC, then plug a CAT5E/6 cable from the Fortigate LAN port to your PC. Next, set a static IP on your PC that matches the Fortigate subnet so you can reach its management address. Once done, verify link lights on both NICs and make sure the Fortigate's management IP is known. If not, default to common Fortigate IPs. This avoids guessing and gets you immediate access. You should now open your browser to the Fortigate management IP and log in with admin credentials. Once inside, navigate to Network Interfaces and pick the interface tied to your PC. Assign the chosen IP, subnet mask, and enable HTTPS/HTTP or SSH for administration. Then create a basic firewall policy permitting traffic from that internal interface to your WAN interface so you can test internet access. Make sure to apply and save configurations. You finish by testing connectivity. Ping the Fortigate IP and then an external IP like 8 to confirm routing and NAT. Once packets flow, finalize DNS settings on the PC and harden admin access with a strong password and limited management access. If things go wrong, one key troubleshooting tip: check the interface status, routing, and whether the PC's host firewall blocks traffic. Temporarily disable it while testing. This pinpoints whether the problem is local, on the Fortigate, or upstream.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.